How to speed up your Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can speed up your Android device if your Android phone is running slow, or if the application is freezing, lagging, or taking forever to load. So in this video, we will see how we can speed up the device. So without further delay, let's get into this video. First and foremost, just restart your phone. This clears background processes and refreshes your RAM. So it's like giving your phone a fresh start. So make sure to restart your device. After that, what you can do is you can delete the application that you never use on your device. So for that, you have to open up settings in your device, head over to the applications and tap on see all apps. Now you have to browse through the application and uninstall anything that you haven't used in a month. So that's the another way. And the next way is to turn off any animations. So for that, head over to your settings, and if you have enabled the developer option, you have to open up the developer option. For that, head over to system, go to developer option. So you could tap on the search icon at the top right. Now search for animations. So in order to remove the animation, you could turn on this toggle here, and that will reduce some animations. And the next step is to free up storage. Make sure that your phone isn't full. So to search or to check your storage, head over to settings and you have to go to the storage. And on the storage, you could explore and see what is occupying more space and make sure that your device isn't full from here. And the next approach is to update all of your apps and system. So to update the system, you have to head over to settings, and under settings, head over to system, and here there is an software update option. You have to tap on it, and if there is any pending update, make sure to install the latest Android version. Once you update your system, you also have to make sure that all of the applications are up to date in your device. To check for your updates, you have to head over to the Play Store. If you search for updates in the search bar, you will find all of the application that needs update. Tap on see updates and it will check all of your recent updates, and if the application need update, tap on update all. So this will also help you make your device work or function faster. And if nothing works, and if your device is still lagging behind or working slow, then the ultimate option is to factory reset your device. But before that, make sure you back up all of your data, because once you factory reset your device, all of your data will be gone. So make sure you back up first, then head over to settings, scroll down, tap on system, tap on reset option. So hit an option as factory reset. You have to do this, and that's it. The steps can give your slow Android phone a serious speed boost. That's all for today's video. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.